Good day to do some sawmilling. Got some of it done yesterday. Got a walnut. Been wanting to mill up. Haven't milled in a while. So here's the next piece. Just nice little pieces. But yeah, I guess it's kind of like basically everybody else. Put a ladder up there, level it off. Nothing fancy for that first cut. One thing I did do though, is for the top, is sprayed lithium grease across here and make the metal slide better. For the mill, and then I put a lower sawhorse, so you kind of got a downhill for the mill. And then I just want to show a little bit closer. Nothing fancy, just made a square frame. Watched a bunch of people on YouTube make them, and just had some channel and put one channel in between another. Put a couple bolts to tighten it up. And then put a chunk of metal there on each side so it'd clamp the bar. Like I said, nothing fancy, but it works. I'll fire it up here in a minute and get it going. A couple things I've done different. When I first started milling, I never used to do the 30 degree. I had a 30 degree chain, you know, just regular chain. And so then I finally figured out that everybody's cutting the chains down to 10 degrees or less. So I made a chain, and it's at 5 degrees. And I think it just cuts a whole lot better. It's a nice looking piece. Nice.